Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In front of me I have a very big box, but it's just for a small watch. So there is a bit of a story here because I ordered a watch from this company, Swiss Watch Gallery in Malaysia. I think in July or somewhere in August, maybe end of July, they had like an online sale, so I ordered a watch. But the thing is that they sent me the wrong watch, right? Then I have to go through the painful process of returning the watch, and yeah, it took a while. Then after I returned the watch and then everything was okay, then they were ready to send me the new watch, and they sent me the new watch, and this parcel somehow got stuck in the courier service company, so GDEX. Why? Because they were saying that due to COVID they have like short-handed, they are like really short-handed, and the seller, from this company, they did chase GDEX to expedite the shipment, and somehow today I got a call from GDEX saying that, hey man, we cannot ship this parcel to you, can you come down and do your own self-collection? Which I had to. So I drove down there, I collected the parcel, and now, yeah, it's in front of me, and let's open up the watch and hope that everything is in place this time around, because I'm really tired of all this ordering the watch, receiving the wrong watch, and yeah, I had to wait for the new watch to come and all those things. So let's open up and hope, let's hope, fingers crossed, is the right watch. Okay, move this box away, chuck it away. Okay, so let's try to see if we can open it up. Okay. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, it's an Oris. So let's figure out how to open this one. I think it's the same box. It's a newer Oris box, because I recall I saw a lot of unboxings of Orises, or Oris that has like this blue, navy blue or black kind of box, but this one looks a little modern. Let's take a, so we have a chunky thick manual with the warranty card. Let's see. Blah blah blah, warranty card. Okay, I need to register the watch online. Blah blah blah. Okay, so I will do that later. Anything else? Nothing. Okay, fingers crossed. And okay, seems like the right watch with the right size. Let's check it out. Yep, this is Oris Big Crown pointer date, and this is the 36mm version, which I think is perfect for my small wrist. Right, what is this here? Well, that's the price of the watch, but yep, that's the retail, I guess, or the discounted price, I don't know. Okay, well, is it moving? Yep, it's moving. We have a bunch of stickers which I'm gonna peel off in front of the camera just for the sake of this unboxing. I'm gonna move the clutter away and get closer to the watch. Alright, let's start to peel off some stickers. Let's try with the strap bracelet. Well, I may need to cut this. No. So this is the watch. Let's get something to wipe it down. Okay, so this is the watch, right? So this is, I would say, my first Oris. I don't have an Oris until now. So let's give it a wind. Okay, everything's winding good. So let's set the time. Okay, so this is midnight, so we have the date, the pointer date, that red crescent there moved. So this is midnight, and I'm just gonna move it to the usual 10:10. Okay, and now I'm gonna play with the date.
date is moving correctly. So I'm just gonna put it here, and yep, this is the watch. So let's look at the case. I think it's high polish, it's brushed on the top. The bracelet is okay, I would say. It's a little shiny and it's a little narrow, you know. Yeah, before, you know, some macho guys, you know, something that yeah, this is a watch for ladies, a women's watch or whatever. Well, I don't give a damn. I like this kind of small watches because to me the pointer date is a classic watch, and classic watch should have a classic size. A 36mm watch is considered a gentleman's watch in the past, and I'm good with that. It's not that I want to act posh, but because I have a small wrist, so I don't care. Say what you like, and I'm enjoying this watch as I like. So yeah, I will be doing a full review. So this is not a full review, this is just hopefully gonna be an unboxing video. Hopefully I will edit it to be a quick unboxing, but usually I will just rant too much. But yeah, the dial, I can see a heavy dose of anti-reflective coating, and it's a dome, or I would say a box sapphire crystal, alright? And big crown, okay, because the name of the watch is a big crown, pointer date, so the crown is relatively big if you compare to the overall size of the watch. And I really like the classic aesthetic look of the dial, the hands and all that. It looks something like, you know, from the retro, you know. I really like this kind of design, and the size, I would say 36mm is a perfect size, even though if you have a bigger wrist, because for that nostalgic look, for that classic proportion look, yeah, I think 36 is good. Yeah, people will argue, you know, the big crown, it's a pilot's watch, so it has to be big, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Well, I don't care. I just like the look, and bite me. Alright, yeah, I'm usually not that aggressive because of the whole situation of this watch. I'm being a little grumpy here, so pardon the grumpiness. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, please help by subscribing to the channel, and I will be doing a full review for this watch, so please subscribe if you are interested and do not want to miss out on my review of this watch. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, bye bye.